How you doing, Ralph? This is Omari with Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. My number is 706-453-2500. I'm going to be sending you a walk-around video of the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado work truck. I'll be sending this out to you ASAP. I'm going to start off inside the vehicle, then I'm going to go outside so you can see how it looks. Stay tuned. 706-453-2500. Omari Dante. Thank you. Told you I'm going to start off with inside the vehicle. Let you see the screen. The vehicle only has 12,657 miles. It's a basic work truck. What you see inside. You can lift this up for extra room if you need an extra employee to ride with you. I'll let you see inside of it. See the wheels. This is a great work truck and is a certified pre-owned. Look inside the bed. Look at the tires. Certified pre-owned on the window sticker. Gives you a little bit added benefit. New powertrain limited warranty. 6 year, 100,000 miles on top of the 12,000. Bumper to bumper limited warranty, 12 months, 12,000 miles. Pass 24 hours a day, 7 days a week roadside assistance, and it must have passed a 172-point inspection. You look inside. I'm going to come around to the front. Again, Ralph, this is Omari coming live to you from Jimmy Britt Chevrolet, 706-453-2500. Thanks.